Hello everyone, it's Karina. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share with you some of the April 2026 new releases over at scrapdivadesigns.com, and I do have project shares for the dies. I've decided to use Maggie Holmes Parasol, so that's the paper collection I'm using. So this first die, it is called 5x7 Shaker Pocket. So it comes with two separate dies to make your shaker. And here is how my project turned out. I made mine into a tag. I seen fellow design team members make the pocket without the background and used acetate, and that looks really pretty too, but I decided to do a backing on mine, and I chose this pretty bow paper. Look at these little stamps. If you guys seen my Heidi Swap haul, I did share a stamp set that has these alphabets, and I kind of wanted to show you guys, if you guys seen that video, how it turns out. So I just stamped out the word hello, and I think it turned out super cute. Look at that. This one is also adorable, especially for all the makeup girlies. This one is called Makeup Bag Memory Decks, and it does come with a bunch of little pieces to decorate. I think there's two. No, there's just this page of dies. So in this die set, you get the beauty sponge, nail polish. You could decide whether you want a bow zipper or a heart. You get the lipstick, makeup brushes, a eyeshadow palette that also has the mirror on it. Isn't that just too adorable? I've seen some really cute projects made out of this die. If you guys want to see more projects, definitely check out Scrap Diva Designs Instagram. There's so much inspiration there. This one is called a Loopy Flower, and it comes with quite a few different sizes of flowers and the center for the flower. I made quite a few flowers, and I did shape them up a little bit and added a pearl center to mine. Isn't that just so pretty? And you can layer these however you like, so you can make ones with a bunch of layers. This one has 3. This one's 2. So pretty. I made quite a few so I can have them on hand for future projects. Alright, next die. This one is super fun to play with. If you guys get this die, I will link a video in the description box of how to assemble it, because there's quite a few pieces, but it was overall easy to put together. This one is called a 3D Desk Vanity. So it comes with quite a few dies. So isn't this oval frame so pretty? It has hearts around it and this really pretty doily border. So these are all the layering pieces, of course, and then you get the side parts of the vanity. And I don't know if you guys are ready for this. This is so cute. And I just noticed a butterfly that I attached on the side here did fall off. And I don't know where it's at. I'll have to find that later. But isn't this just so cute? So this is how mine turned out. I'm using some of those loopy flowers from the release. I added a pretty little bow to my frame. And I decided to make, oh, here's a butterfly. I just noticed that. Okay. Anyways, I added a doily on the desk. If you guys have seen the parasol collection, it comes with a bunch of sewing accessories. So I was kind of thinking of what you'd find on top of a desk. And I thought it'd be cute to make them stand. So I just added a piece of paper and folded it to help the sticker stand up. And I think it turned out so cute. So I have a camera, a vase of flowers, thread, buttons, safety pin, scissors. So cute. I've also seen a lot of people use the die sets from the Memory Decks makeup bag and put them on their vanity, which is also such a super cute idea. And the drawer does open up, so you can definitely add stuff in here. I'm using this gem for the handle. I just popped it up on some foam. That way it has some lift to it and I can pull it in and out. And this last die set is called Flip Flop Folio Set. The last time I checked, this did sell out, so definitely have notifications on if you're looking for this die for when it comes back in stock. I really love this die, so let me show you all the different pieces. So it creates this folio. This is how I decorated the top. I added some twine to keep it closed. So I'm just using a bunch of stickers and ephemera pieces from the collection. I think the only thing I added are these little gemmies. Everything else is from the parasol collection. So it flips like this. This is also fairly easy to assemble, and you can layer it any way you want. So if you wanted to have 2 of these, you can also put one in the bottom. Yeah, there's many ways you can create this folio. And it also comes with a pocket. So this is perfect for birthdays or any special occasion. You can always add a gift card in the pocket. I just added these pieces of ephemera for now. And the die set also comes with these little tuck spots, so you can add it anywhere on your folio, and it creates a slit so you can add stuff. Alright, you guys, so definitely check out scrapdivadesigns.com for all these lovely dies. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.